For thousands of years, ice has acted like a time machine, sealing away the past in frozen vaults of glaciers, permafrost, and Arctic frost. These icy tombs have preserved creatures so perfectly that they seem to defy the passage of time, offering scientists a window into worlds long gone. From woolly giants to microscopic survivors, these discoveries shock the world, blending awe with questions we can't yet answer. Today, we'll explore 7 frozen creatures found in ice that left scientists stunned, each revealing secrets of ancient ecosystems, survival, and even the potential for life beyond Earth. Buckle up, because these finds are as chilling as the ice they came from, and some might make you wonder what else is waiting to be uncovered. Number 7. Lyuba, the baby mammoth. In May 2007, reindeer herders in Siberia's remote Yamal Peninsula stumbled upon a site that would rewrite paleontology, a 41,800-year-old woolly mammoth calf named Lyuba, meaning love in Russian. This 110-pound, 1-month-old baby was a frozen miracle. Her skin, trunk, eyelashes, and even internal organs preserved as if she died yesterday. CT scans revealed a heartbreaking story. Lyuba choked on mud, likely trapped in a riverbed during a desperate crossing with her herd. Her stomach still held traces of her mother's milk, a poignant snapshot of her final moments. Scientists were floored by her condition, calling her the most complete mammoth ever found. Her DNA, remarkably intact, sparked feverish talk of cloning woolly mammoths to bring them back from extinction. But Lyuba's discovery did more than fuel scientific dreams. It painted a vivid picture of life 40,000 years ago on the mammoth steppe. A cold, grassy expanse stretching from Europe to Asia. Could her genes unlock the secrets of Ice Age survival, or even allow us to walk with mammoths again? The possibility keeps researchers up at night as Lyuba's frozen form continues to captivate the world. Number 6. Sasha, the woolly rhino. In 2014, a hunter in Siberia's Yakutia region uncovered a creature that seemed like a myth. A baby woolly rhinoceros named Sasha, frozen for roughly 34,000 years. This was no ordinary find. It was the first juvenile woolly rhino ever discovered, a species far rarer than its mammoth cousins. Sasha, about 7 months old, stood just 4 feet long, with a soft coat of strawberry blonde fur, a tiny horn, and perfectly preserved hooves. Scientists were stunned as woolly rhinos, which roamed the mammoth steppe alongside mammoths and saber-toothed cats, are known mostly from fragmented bones. Sasha's body told a tragic tale. She likely perished in a sudden mudslide, her remains sealed in permafrost. Analysis of her diet showed she was already weaned, munching on tough grasses like an adult. The find reshaped our understanding of woolly rhino development and their harsh Ice Age world. But the real shock came from Sasha's pristine condition. Her DNA could reveal how these beasts adapted to extreme cold. Could more rhinos be hiding in Siberia's thawing ground? As permafrost melts, scientists are racing to find out, hoping Sasha is just the beginning. Number 5. Sparta, the cave lion cub. In 2017, a gold miner in eastern Siberia's Abiski district unearthed a predator from the past, a mummified cave lion cub named Sparta, frozen for up to 50,000 years. This tiny female, just 1 to 2 months old, was a scientific jackpot, with her golden fur, sharp teeth, whiskers, and even internal organs perfectly preserved. Cave lions, Panthera spelaea, extinct for 10,000 years, were fearsome Ice Age predators, hunting reindeer and young mammoths across Europe and Asia. Sparta's discovery was a first. No other cave lion cub had been found so intact. Scientists believe she died in a mudslide, her body locked in a frozen tomb. The shock deepened when researchers debated her identity. Was she a cave lion or a lynx kitten? No one knows what juvenile cave lions looked like, making Sparta a puzzle. Her pristine state offers clues about Ice Age ecosystems, from prey to climate. Could her DNA reveal how these lions ruled the tundra? Or might larger cave lions, even adults, still lie frozen, waiting to roar back into science? Sparta's discovery keeps the questions coming. Number 4. Jur, the wolf pup. In 2016, a gold miner in Canada's Yukon Territory struck something more valuable than gold, a 57,000-year-old gray wolf pup named Jur, meaning wolf in the Trondoc language. This 7-week-old female was a frozen marvel, her grayish fur, delicate bones, and even stomach contents preserved in stunning detail. X-rays told a grim story. Jur died when her den collapsed, likely during a sudden event like a landslide. Her diet, heavy in fish, suggested her pack hunted along rivers, much like modern wolves in the Yukon. Scientists were gobsmacked by her condition, as Ice Age wolf remains are rare, and pups are almost unheard of. Jur's discovery offered a rare glimpse into wolf behavior during the Pleistocene, when megafauna ruled. Her DNA could unlock secrets about how ancient wolves evolved into modern dogs, a process still shrouded in mystery. The find also sparked local pride, with the Trondoc people celebrating Jur as a bridge to their ancestral past. Could more pups, or even entire packs, lie frozen in the Yukon's permafrost? Number 3. The bedelloid rotifer. In 2021, scientists digging in Siberia's Alazaya River region made a discovery that sounded like science fiction. A microscopic bedelloid rotifer, frozen for 24,000 years, came back to life. Found 11.5 feet deep in permafrost, this tiny, worm-like creature, barely visible to the naked eye, was revived in a lab where it began moving and reproducing asexually. Radiocarbon dating confirmed its age, leaving researchers reeling. Bedelloid rotifers are known for surviving harsh conditions through cryptobiosis, a state where metabolism nearly stops, but enduring 24,000 years in ice was unprecedented. The team named this resilience a biological time capsule, as the rotifer's descendants thrived for generations in the lab. This find rocked biology, suggesting life could persist in extreme environments far longer than thought. Could similar creatures survive on Mars or icy moons like Europa? Or might they carry ancient microbes, posing risks as permafrost thaws? The rotifer's revival opened a Pandora's box of possibilities, proving life's tenacity knows no bounds. Number 2. The ancient horse. In 2018, miners in Siberia's Batagaika crater, a massive gash caused by thawing permafrost, unearthed a 30,000 to 40,000-year-old horse that stopped scientists in their tracks. This young foal, just 3 feet tall, was frozen 330 feet underground, its dark brown skin, hooves, tail, and even nostril hairs preserved as if it had just lain down to rest. Belonging to an extinct species, possibly Equus linensis, this horse roamed the mammoth steppe alongside rhinos and bison. Scientists believe it drowned in a bog, its body sealed in ice before decay could set in. The find was a paleontological gold mine, as equine remains this intact are vanishingly rare. Analysis showed the foal was healthy, with no signs of predation, offering a snapshot of life in a brutal Ice Age world. Its DNA could reveal how ancient horses adapted to cold climates, or even connect to modern breeds. The discovery also raised a wild idea. Could cloning bring this species back? As permafrost continues to melt, scientists wonder how many more horses, or other megafauna, await discovery in Siberia's frozen depths. Number 1. The Siberian nematodes. In 2018, researchers in Siberia's Kolyma River region achieved the impossible. They revived nematodes, microscopic roundworms, frozen for 42,000 years. These worms, found in permafrost deposits from the late Pleistocene, began wriggling and reproducing once thawed, stunning the scientific world. Named Panagrolimus colomensis, this all-female species thrived in the lab for over 100 generations, proving their revival was no fluke. Genetic analysis confirmed they were a new species, distinct from modern nematodes, and their survival in cryptobiosis shattered records for multicellular organisms. Scientists were floored, as nothing this complex had ever endured such a long freeze. The nematodes' revival raised mind-bending questions. Could larger creatures survive similar freezes? What ancient microbes might they carry, and could those pose risks as permafrost melts globally? The find also fueled speculation about life elsewhere. Could nematodes survive in the ice of comets or distant planets? These tiny worms, once dismissed as insignificant, have become giants in the quest to understand life's limits, leaving scientists both thrilled and uneasy about what else might awaken.